Well, it's a pleasure to sit back and listen to you. I don't have to worry about the music prepared. I mean, it's very that is. Are you part of the larger choir? Is this your class?
We have a small group meets 8th period, but there's also a larger choir that we sing with.
And how big is that?
Like 37.
And the reason I'm asking, I would encourage you on your fortes that they not be quite so loud. I get the feeling that you're trying to make a forte sound as you make in a big choir. That's what I'm asking. And you're an ensemble, and it's going to have a different feel to it than, just wanted to have a large choir. So I would encourage you just to kind of be aware of that as you're singing, that you don't try to create too much of a volume, massive sound, because it starts to go a little bit past what you're able to do really your best. And you do so many things well. Can we start again? I'll tell you what, let's get to one of those passages and let's see what kind of adjustments you can make. We'll start at the Laudamus Tef at 35. Maybe give them one measure. Let's get to where they all come in. Page 3.
Are you breaking fast in our
alto, much such an important note. Better that time. First time it was almost not good at that time. Thank you so much. Wonderful group. He's doing some great things.
Yeah.